Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Taking a quick peek over here at Cardano. Got a lot of requests for this one. Figure we'll go ahead and jump right in and kind of see what's going on. We are going to reference the back-end liquidation levels, kind of see what's up here. Because generally speaking, when it comes to back-end data, with Cardano, there's a lot of liquidation to the upside on the monthly. Okay, so just to clarify, previous levels have been liquidated at that 40 cents mark, but we also got a heavy concentration, about $500 million in liquidation at 42.2. So it's, again, a rough estimate there, but pretty close. 42 to 43 is a solid amount of liquidation. So just be mindful of that. Okay, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader, jumping over to our Trading Academy community and Signals group and Discord. It's a lot of fun. We took some nice profits here from Rune last night, or this morning rather. Trade took last night, 22%. These are 5x leverage trades, folks. 45% from Bitcoin, Chainlink 10, and 63% from Caspa. That was just this last weekend alone. So definitely making up for that rough start to the month. So let's take a quick look here at Cardano, see what's going on here. We want to reference some important moving averages here. So again, the daily time frame is important to recognize. Let's quickly go ahead and zoom in here and see. We can reference the fact that we have been over and are continuing to remain over the 20-day SMA. That's really important. I would like to be over the 50-day SMA to have any super confidence in taking a long position. But the truth here is being over the 20 is a good start. It really helps us understand the momentum has potentially shifted. We can see the MACDs obviously converging, looking very strong there as well. Stochastic swinging up for the second time. The second time carries more weight, which we're seeing already, but we're over 50 on the RSI. This is huge. So being over 50 on the RSI is really, really important. That gives us confidence that Cardano is on the right track. Okay, it's not all the way, but we're most of the way there as far as breaking moderately bullish. I'm not going to try to get you too excited about it, but it's looking pretty solid there. We do take a look here. We can also see that we are overextended a bit. We're at 9 plus 5 on TD sequential. Really just telling us here that we've got that's like 40, 50 hours of continuation in the same direction without recourse. There's a decent chance we're going to see the price pull back. If it does, this 0.382 fib level is a common area of retracement, right there at about 41 cents. Okay, so just bear in mind that's a thing. We do take a look at last 7 days of liquidation. There is some liquidation down as low as 38 to 37 cents. There's a bit of a range there. Not a heck of a lot, but there is some. Okay, so if the price does pull back, that may be a possible area of concern. We're not there yet. I wouldn't worry about it. We're over all moving averages, testing the 200 right now. Surprised we didn't get rejected by it, but if we do, again, the more recent high, we can kind of see as a rough estimate, this is what we're looking at for the more recent high. Okay, so this area is the area that we want to kind of pay attention to if the price pulls back. It's common to bounce off those levels. And what we'll do is we'll wait to update our fib levels here until the daily candlestick closes. It's generally best practice to do that. But if we look at the hourly, we can confirm that there's all green lights here, 0 reasons to consider a short position. Do not short Cardano right now. Okay. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, we've been taking some profits here from Cardano. Small stop loss there from Solana, but we got Matic, Solana. I know I saw some Cardano in here somewhere. There's an ADA stop loss. Oh, but a separate profit target. Okay. Again, if you're curious about the results, folks, they're in my premium group here. The trades for my day trading, they have to be monitored, but I can tell you it's definitely worthwhile. Cardano was one of our performers there for last month. So again, definitely worthwhile if you're more into the day trading concept. I don't prefer it myself, but it is for some people. Okay. Long story short here, Cardano is exuding a lot of bullish behavior. There is 0 reasons to consider shorting into it. If you're going to consider a long position, the more recent high of roughly 40 cents even and or secondary to that, roughly 41 with that 0.382 fib level, those will be 2 solid considerations for entry, just so you can continue maybe average your price down or into the trade with that area there. Okay, again, pretty solid stuff. I'll post this playout chart on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, TikTok. I have a lot of different unique setups here, and these are mostly coins that we're trading. So I generally analyze the coins, trade them with our community, and essentially go from there. So we'll see if Cardano is worthwhile. I'll take an entry. I'm going to set an alert here at about 41 cent mark, see if it may be worth reevaluating later. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.